From a young age, I was taught that nobody owed me anything and that everything that I achieve will be through the hard work that I put in. 6 years ago when I bought Frank, I had no idea what this would turn into. From swapping an engine in a single night to breaking into the tens on a stock internal engine. This car has put me and you guys through the ringer on this journey. With this drop, my goal has been to create something unique to give back to you guys that have been supporting my channel and my progress over the last 6 years. I truly hope that with this drop, I earn your support. So here's what I did. I partnered with a local business who will be hand printing every shirt right here in the USA, and every order will be hand packaged and shipped by me. That's not even the coolest part. At checkout on the website, you'll have the option to select between standard edition or collector's edition. These two options are perfectly identical with just one difference. Every collector's edition shirt will be uniquely numbered based on your order number. For example, if I sell 50 collector's edition shirts and you are the first person to have ordered one, your shirt will be numbered 1 out of 50 in the Boosted John box at the bottom of the shirt. Yes, as you can imagine, these collector's edition shirts are going to be extremely time consuming to make because I literally have to recreate the design with the correct numbering for every single collector's edition shirt that is ordered. But like I said, my goal with this drop is to create a truly unique piece of Boosted John channel history to give back to you OG fans of the channel. The pre-order goes live Saturday, March 16th, 2024 at 11 a.m. Central Time. The pre-order window will close when I decide that I can't take any more orders based on production. It'll be about 1 to 2 weeks. This design will never be printed again. It's meant to be a one-off design to commemorate Frank's and my biggest accomplishment with this car in racing. And if you're someone who wants the lowest possible number on one of the collector's edition shirts, I highly suggest that you set an alarm on your phone so you have a chance to secure one of the first few. You won't know what number you got until you receive your shirt, but it will be uniquely yours. I'm Boosted John. We deserve nothing, earn everything.
All right, what do you think you got? Don't look at it, don't look at it, don't look at it. What do you think you got? Let's go!
Let's go! Hey, thank you! Oh, dude, a 10.7?
1071,
Let's fucking go, dude! Holy shit, dude!
Got it!
Fuck yeah, bro! 10.7?
10.7.